Welcome to the tutorial for ClaroRead Plus version 6.2. ClaroRead is screen reading software which is networked across all our desktop computers at each campus. You can also find ClaroRead on our college laptops, which can be loaned from the Learning Resources Centre or from additional learning support. You can find the Claro icon on your desktop here. Simply double-click the icon and the taskbar as shown above will appear. ClaroRead can read back text on screen using high-quality voices. ClaroRead can read back text from a Microsoft Word document. Simply put the cursor where you would like it to begin reading and select play.
Additional learning support are a large team consisting of tutors, LSAs, learning support assistants, LSOs, learning support officers.
Then click Stop when you're finished. ClaroRead can also read back PDF files in Adobe Reader. In the same way that you would Microsoft Word, put your cursor at the start of the text and select play.
Homophones and confusing words. Name, date. Choose the correct word and write it in the space.
And again, when you're finished, click Stop. ClaroRead can also be an important tool that you use when searching the internet or conducting research online. You can use ClaroRead with Internet Explorer. Simply load up your web page, click where you would like Claro to begin reading, and select play.
Little Mix are a British girl group formed in 2011 during the 8th series of the UK version of The X Factor.
And again, select Stop when you're done. If you prefer to use Google Chrome when conducting your research online, you can also use ClaroRead. ClaroRead can be used with Google Chrome as a Google Chrome extension. To install ClaroRead, simply click the three buttons in the top right corner, select More Tools and Extensions. This will then give you a list of the extensions you already have installed. Select Get More Extensions and search for Claro. Then select Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension, and this will then download to your desktop. Once your extension has been added, you will receive a notification in the top right-hand corner. Simply select the X and click the icon. This will then allow you to open the ClaroRead extension. In the same way that ClaroRead works with Microsoft and Internet Explorer, ClaroRead also works in the same way with Google Chrome. The only difference being that the taskbar is much more simplified. Again, simply select where you would like Claro to begin reading and click play.
Biology is a natural science that involves the study of life and living organisms, including their physical and chemical structure, function, development, and evolution. One part of biology is a book.
Again, once you're finished, just click Stop.
In fact, ClaroRead can be used to read back virtually any text from any software application.
ClaroRead can also be a useful tool when helping to improve your vocabulary and build on your confidence by proofreading your own work and having ClaroRead read it back to you.
When you look at the text, it is sometimes hard to spot the errors. When you look at the text, it is sometimes hard to spot the errors. When you look at the text, it is sometimes hard to spot the errors.
Sometimes it can be easier having your work proofread back to you, as this helps you spot the small mistakes yourself. ClaroRead also has included a homophones feature. This is a great way of spotting homophones in your work. Simply select the Show Homophones button, and this will highlight any homophones in blue. Any homophone that you wish to check, simply select and click Check. This will then ensure that you're using the right spelling. For example, the blue that we have written is referred to the colour blue. This is shown in the picture. Also the meaning, which you can have read back to you from Claro. And also there is a list of definitions for the colour blue. We would like to change the spelling of the colour blue to the past tense of blow. So simply select the word and click Change. Then close. This will change the spelling of blue in your sentence. ClaroRead also has the ability of a speaking spell checker, with the support for phonetic misspellings. Simply select the word and click Check.
40. North. Naughty. 40. North. Naughty.
As you can see, we can select the correct spelling. So click Change. And as you can see, our spell check is complete. Powerful word prediction is also an important tool to use in Claro. To turn on predictive text, simply select Settings, Prediction. Make sure that the Use Prediction box is ticked and change the prediction style to phonetic. Then select OK. Lots of people like to write using predictive text. Predictive text is similar to how most people send a text message on a mobile phone. Powerful predictive text is a great way to help improve vocabulary and confidence when writing. To use predictive text on ClaroRead, simply write in the way that you normally would. And as you can see in the box above, Claro will select words it thinks that you want to use next. When you find the word that you want to use the shortcut key at the top. For example, F2 for section. As you can see, I use the predictive text feature to help me write the sentence. Predictive text can be used on almost every word, or it can be used as running in the background if needed. A speaking dictionary will also help you to access word meanings whatever program you are using. Simply go to Settings, select Check, and ensure that the Use Dictionary tooltip is ticked. If you are conducting some research online, for example about biology, and there was a word that you were unsure of, simply select the word
Examines. Examines. Consider in detail and subject to an analysis, in order to discover essential features or meaning, observe, check out, and look over carefully or inspect, question or examine.
The Speaking Dictionary allows you to highlight the word, and in a small box in the corner, this will give you the dictionary definition of the word. Claro will then read the dictionary definition back to you to make sure that you understand the meaning of the word. There are also some extra programs included in ClaroRead version 6.2. The first one being the ClaroRead Screen Ruler. To access ClaroRead Screen Ruler, select Extras from the main menu and click Screen Ruler. The Screen Ruler will allow you to make an overlay on your page. You can change the colour, and you can also control the tone of your screen. If you prefer, you can use the ClaroRead Screen Ruler to follow along with the text as it is being read to you by Claro. You can also use the underline feature to do the same. With all three options, you have the ability to change colour and customise the settings. When you find the setting that you're happy with, click the green button, and this will ensure that your settings stay the same. Claro Capture is also an extra tool that you can access using ClaroRead. This can also be found in the Extras tab. Select Claro Capture. Claro Capture lets you organise and collect information for your assignments. You open Claro Capture and highlight the text and drag to capture. Once you have captured your text, select the blue arrow and send to Microsoft Word document. Once your text has been moved over to Microsoft Word, it is then ready for you to incorporate into your assignment, making sure that you cite the information and where you got it from. I hope that you found our ClaroRead tutorial useful, and if you have any more questions about ClaroRead or any of the Claro products, you can simply contact our Additional Learning Support department. You can find an Additional Learning Support office or staff room at each campus. Alternatively, to find out more information about Claro products, Claro applications, or how Claro can be used in exams, you can visit the Claro website at www.clarosoftware.com. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.